Cooking with meteorite is very convenient in your shops, in your home, in your offices, everywhere. Get meteorite solar engine, equip it with the right amount of panel, connect with your solar cooker. You can cook anywhere. It makes life convenient and easy. You don't waste money on cooking gas again. You don't wait for NEPA to bring light for you to use your electric cooker again. Meteorite does the whole thing for you. You can see how meteorite is burning, is cooking this delicious pot of soup. Wow, it's boiling. The soup is almost ready. Chicken egusi soup. The aroma is fantastic. Meteorite. It makes our life very easy, very convenient, and economical. You don't have to waste money again on cooking gas. The sun powers all your electrical appliances, your refrigerator, your solar cooker, even your electric cooker. Meteorite powers it, depending on the amount of panel you connected to it. Enjoy the soup. Let me go enjoy the soup now.